Mama? Brianna, say hi to the camera. Mama. She's playing. Yes. A princess.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Yes, Mama.
I think these are chicken's feet, right?
Yeah, they are chicken.
I'm trying to.
You are trying, or what are you doing?
I'm trying to. What?
Kizungu imeenda wapi? Unajaribu kufanya?
Kuzitengeneza yani sasa.
You should speak English because you guys you do speak English in school.
Yeah, we do, but we don't speak about these cooking things.
So guys, today we are going to eat chicken feet. Here they. So it's not yet cooked, but we are going to cook it. So these are the things that you have been removing from chicken feet. The one that she's doing, you remove those things first. I don't know how they're being called. So once you remove them,
I'm going to call it ngozi, right?
Skin.
Yeah. And there's this of chicken called skin.
I don't know. Brianna and you, what are you doing, Mom?
Look what like doing is disturbing me.
Look what Brianna is doing.
Brianna,
she's playing with the water, Mom. So hope this food it will turn up to be so good and delicious. I don't know what you guys you do eat there, but for us here we eat any food as long as it's not poison. It's healthy for our stomach. Anna. See what she's playing with. Uchafu ya kutoka, ngozi ya kutoka kwa hizi miguu za kuku ndio alikuwa anacheza nazo. So this is our humble home. Brianna, where is your dad? Brianna, daddy yako. So guys, our papa will coming back today. Brianna's daddy. This is the food we are going to cook for him, because this is what we could have afforded. This is what we can afford for now. So he has to eat this chicken feet. So I'm going to try my level best to cook it well, so that when he comes in, he'll be able to enjoy the meal. Brianna, why are you making noise, Mom?
She's looking like a mom. Remember, don't beat me.
Oh, she's such a noisemaker. When she decides to make noise in the house, you can just hear how she's making noise. Just ingredients we are going to use for cooking that chicken feet: our tomatoes and onions. I guess the chicken feet will come up well once I'm done cooking. Yeah. Let's wait. Our ingredients for today. So here's the chicken feet. I've already washed them.
So as you can see, these are our feet. This seems to be delicious. Yeah.
Every range, because then every range in our local language. So we are frying them. Hope they will come up well.
I hope too. Look at them. Wow, look at them.
They look delicious.
Brianna, it fell down.
Are you sure?
Brianna is going to fall down.
So you are adding?
I think that is chicken masala.
Yeah, because they are chicken feet.
Chicken masala. Paprika. you.
So we are cooking chicken feet for our family, for the humble family. Yeah. So I have already added tomatoes in here. So let me let it steam for a while. Oh, you wanna cook ugali? This is our final result of our supper, of our dinner today. And this is how the chicken. Mom! Yes, this is Brianna. She's calling me. She's so hungry. She needs to eat now. She wants to eat. Look how they came out. This one is for Brianna. Yeah. This one is for our princess. And this is our ugali. Brianna, you don't want to eat our princess? Mama, take yours. It's so hot. It's so hot. So Brianna, she has decided to feed herself today because it's chicken feet. I guess she loves feet, so she loves chicken feet a lot. Even though it's hot, but she's still eating it. Brianna, look at her. She don't care that it's hot. She's just feeding herself. Wow. So this meal is for the one that we have decided to surprise our daddy. He will be coming today, but he's still on the way coming here. So this is ugali for 4, but I want to cut his piece. Nimweke, then we eat the remaining one. Yeah.